Indian smartphone brand Lava has launched its latest smartphone, the Agni 2 5G, and we got our hands on the device. Hey everyone, my name is Ishan, this is Gadgets 360, and in this video we'll unbox and share our first look for the newly launched Lava Agni 2 5G. So let's get started. The smartphone comes in this cardboard box and has the model name mentioned at the front. Upon unboxing, we have the smartphone, charging adapter, USB Type-C charging cable, SIM ejector, some documentation and a silicone case. The Lava Agni 2 5G is priced at Rs 21,999 for the sole variant with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage and will be available via Amazon and mainline retailers. The Lava Agni 2 5G sports a matte finished glass back panel that does not attract fingerprints. On the back is also this circular camera module which houses the quad camera setup including the 50MP primary camera, 8MP ultra-wide camera, 2MP depth camera, 2MP macro camera and a flash, followed by the Lava branding at the bottom. The smartphone comes equipped with chrome side rails which easily attract fingerprints. On the left are the power key and the volume buttons. At the bottom are the USB Type-C charging port, speaker grill, SIM slot and microphone. Lava has used a curved edge 6.78-inch OLED display on the Agni 2 5G that has a Full HD Plus resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate and comes with an HDR10 Plus certification. It has an in-display fingerprint scanner and houses the 16MP front camera in hole punch cutout. The device sports a 4700 mAh battery which can be charged using the provided 66W charging adapter. It is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7050 SoC and ships with Android 13. Stay tuned for the full review of the Lava Agni 2 5G which will be out soon. Do let us know what you think of this smartphone in the comments. That's it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Until then, keep following Gadgets 360 for all things tech.